Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the wall curtain today. We have, as you know, we have two wall attachment systems. We have the wall curtain and the wall attachment tape. Wall attachment tape has been demonstrated here. It's got the tape and any adhesive attached to it. This actually, the adhesive is put directly on the activation strip at the top. So this liner goes out directly into the strip. So there is no tape. It's the adhesive and directly the liner in the activation strip. So I'm going to demonstrate a small piece of this. Most contractors use this because it's so fast. So you take a small bead on the foundation wall, and I've got a little piece of this. The activation strip is the top. All you do is put it up, push it into the bead, and you're done. That's as fast as you can put any liner up. It's not stuck. I mean, it's workable. I mean, I could roll it down at this point probably and tape the seam, but it needs a little bit of time to set up. But it's within an hour, it's very workable. So two options: wall attachment tape, the wall curtain. This is pretty straightforward. Pay particular attention to the wall tape.